See, students, today I would like to discuss the test conducted on 17th June 2020. See the 26th question. First question is, during the elimination reaction, Hoffman product is formed. See, Hoffman's and Sedgwick's rules are applicable to the regioselective rules are applicable to that is elimination reactions. Markovnikov's and Karash rules are applicable to the addition reactions. So he is asking, and in the given options, 4 options, where Hoffman elimination is possible. See, first one, quaternary ammonium hydroxide. Yes, always the quaternary ammonium hydroxides are 1, 2, 3, 4. This is quaternary ammonium hydroxides. Quaternary ammonium hydroxides are butyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide on heating with that is moist silver oxide in the presence of water, that is heating gives that is elimination takes place, that is NMe3 plus that is and H2O. This is the Hoffman. They take part in this one. Here, Hoffman's relation or Sedgwick's relation is not valid. If you take that if there are 2 or more Me3 plus OH minus secondary butyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide. This is the beta center, this is the beta center, this is the Sedgwick center, this is the Hoffman center CH3. Here Ag2O heat, this gives the Hoffman elimination takes place from this side, therefore this is the Hoffman elimination. So A is correct. Always quaternary ammonium hydroxides are thermal decomposition produce in the presence of silver oxide produce the alkene. See here the elimination takes place according to that Hoffman's rule. The second one is if this is the case, this is alkyl halide. If you treat with the alcoholic KOH heating, that is normally this Hoffman elimination is applicable. Sedgwick's elimination takes place. But this is, if you take that potassium tertiary butoxide, that is as the bulkiness of the base increases, that is the Hoffman elimination is promoted. So B also correct. Check up. A bulk base attacks the beta hydrogen of the alkyl halide. That is this is the Hoffman site, this is the Sedgwick site, here elimination, this is the major product. And 1 and 2 are correct. That is A is correct option. So primary halides on treatment with the alcoholic KOH, that is the Hoffman elimination, that's Sedgwick elimination. 1, 2 are correct. The some elimination reactions, benzene is formed as the intermediate. This is the benzene. Benzene is formed as the alkyl halides or aryl halides, chlorobenzene on heating with the alcohol concentrated base like sodium hydroxide under high temperature and high pressure conditions. That is elimination addition reaction takes place. Substitute SN reaction takes place through the elimination and addition reaction. Benzene is the intermediate. In benzene, this is all carbon atoms are sp2. We discussed about this. This is not the sp carbon, all are sp2. This pi electron cloud is revolving, aromatic. This is not disturbing the aromaticity. That is the electronic counter is. Here in benzene, this is the triple bond. These are the double bonds. In the triple bond, here there are 2 pi bonds. One is the sigma and 2 pi bond. This is formed due to the pp over pp pi bond. This is formed due to sp2 orbital, that is sidewise overlapping. sp2 sidewise overlapping. So in the triple bond there are 2 pi bonds, But 2 pi bonds are, the set of orbitals involved in the 2 pi bonds are not same. This is pp pi bond, this is the sp2 pi bond. So that is now you come to this one. D is correct. A, delocalization of the pi electron cloud is absent. No, it is present. He is asking the correct answer. That is the wrong answer. Of the 6 carbon atoms, 2 carbon atoms are sp hybridized. No, all are sp2. That is wrong statement. 2 pi bonds of the triple bond. He is asking about this bond of the benzene are same type. No, they are not same type. This is pp pi type and this is sp2. They are different. That is wrong statement. D. 2 pi bonds of the triple bond of the benzene are different type. This is correct. D is correct. For 27, D is correct option. Carbocation. You take the anything carbocation. This is the carbocation. You take any carbocation, not a tertiary butyl carbocation. And it undergoes the elimination reaction. Yes, it undergoes the elimination reaction. What is it? And for E1 and SN1 reaction, that is carbocation is formed. That is E1 and SN1 are and competing reactions. So beta hydrogen is last. That is in the presence of the strong base, elimination is promoted. Double bond CH2. Elimination is possible. Carbocation. So it attacks on the triple bond. Carbocation is a electrophile. Remember, electron deficient. That is and say take the word same. C. We need not write all this thing. This and take it is an electrophile. The carbon-carbon triple bond containing compounds attack on this one. Yes. It takes part in the electron. It is an electrophile. Electrophilic substitution. It takes the pi electrons and forms the CH double bond CH positive charge attacks this one. Is electrophile. This is the carbon-carbon double bond centers. Carbon-carbon triple bond centers are nucleophiles. And paramagnetic in nature, no. It has 6 electrons and no unpaired electron at all. And assume pyramidal nature, no. It is a carbocation is a planar. So only A undergoes elimination reaction and attacks on carbon-carbon triple bond. And 1 and 2 are correct. A is correct option for this. A is correct option. In the A, 1 and 2 are given. So that is 28. A is correct. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Many times we discussed about the Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Normally it takes place on the phenol or activated aromatic systems, right? And what is the Riemann-Tiemann? Chloroform plus alcoholic OH. There the CCl2 is the attacking species. Chloroform plus alcoholic OH mixture is the source for. This is the CCl2 plus KCl plus water. This is this one. This is the empty orbital. This is the orbital with 2 electrons. This is the dichloroparbene. This is the reaction intermediate. It is an electrophile. It acts as an electrophile. See the reaction between the benzene ring of the phenol and CCl2 by electrophile attack of CCl2. Yes, it is an electrophile. Electrophilic attack. Correct. A is correct. The reaction between the benzene ring of the phenol and CCl2 is by nucleophilic attack of CCl2. It's not a nucleophile. It's a 6 electron containing electron deficient species. And B is not correct. The CCl2 is more nucleophilic than CH2. No, it is an electrophile. It's not a nucleophile. CCl2 is a less nucleophilic than CH2. No, it is not a nucleophile. Only A is correct. For 29, A is correct. Lithium aluminum hydride. And in the next question, 30th, this is the compound. This is treated with the 2 reducing agents. Alkyl halide, tertiary butyl chloride, 3 degree alkyl halide. It is treated with the lithium aluminum hydride. 3 degree. Lithium aluminum hydride is good for the primary and secondary. It is a H minus ion is the strong base. Tertiary halides in the presence of the strong base undergo the elimination. Here the product is that is CH2 elimination. Double bond C, CH3, CH3 is the product. If you treat with the triphenyl tin hydride, which is the source for the H dot, this is mild one. This replaces the reduction takes place CH3, CH3, CH3. This is H. The R. This is that is the sodium borohydride NeaBH4. So they reduce the tertiary halides into corresponding alkanes. So that is the X is this and Y is this. X and Y are. The C is correct option. C is the correct option. And that is the Grignard reagent. Here he has given a compound. That is, this is the chlorobromocyclohexane. This is chlorine, this is bromine. So it is treated with the magnesium, one equivalent of magnesium and ether. Grignard reagent. If the excess is used, that is the both are converted. And see, among the CCl bond and CBr bond, the reaction is more readily takes place. Ci bond, CBr bond, CCl bond. This is reaction takes place through this. Now, this is the Grignard reagent generated. Now it is treated with the sodium. This is treated with the D2. This is treated with the D2. This is A. D2, this is replaced. DCl. Now it is treated with the sodium ether. Urdu reaction. That is, you are getting that is this is D, this is D. 4,4 prime dibromo bicyclohexyl. This is the product. So now he is asking to AC. What are the A? This is A. This is B. This is C. A and C. Your correct option is C. C is your correct option. And next one is see here, the toluene is treated with this is the toluene. It is treated with that is CHCl, CH2, CH2, this is C double bond OCl. Treated with the AlCl3, anhydrous aluminum chloride. This is the alkyl halide, this is the acyl halide. If this reacts through this reaction, through this reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation is possible. Through this reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation is possible. So this is more reactive. First, what happens? This is converted into this is converted into the CH plus CH through aluminum chloride. This is CH2, C double bond OCl. So this is a bulky group. This is the ortho effect. Therefore, it goes to here. Now here, what happens? This is formed. Methyl this is formed. Friedel-Crafts alkylation is taking place at the para position of the toluene. Now again, this again take part in the Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is now converted into the AlCl3. This is converted into its corresponding methyl. This is the positive charge. It has to attach here. Ortho to this. This is the ring activator like methyl. This is also ring activator. Therefore, what happens here? that is, this is methyl, this is your product. That's all, same number of carbon of this product. Friedel-Crafts alkylation followed by Friedel-Crafts acylation within the molecule. Therefore, your D is satisfying the conditions. D is correct option. And 33 is the hydroboration oxidation reaction is carried, and which of the following give the word same product in the hydration and hydroboration and oxidation. See here, simple. So if you take this first compound A1, first one, methyl cyclohexene, this on hydration H3O plus, it Marconic of addition of water takes place. This is the OH. This is and hydroboration and oxidation. This gives that is OH. Different products are formed. Here, if this is the case, symmetrical, therefore it gives both the cases same product is formed. No difference at all. And third case also, ethene. So you treat with the acidified water or borohydration followed by oxidation, same product. In the fourth also symmetrical alkene. So second one, third one, fourth one, three give the same product in both the process. Therefore B is correct. 2, 3, 4 correct option. And next one is an alkene is subjected to the reductive ozonolysis. Acetone is formed as the only product. So which will give? The first one is this, A is this. If this is a reduction, gives the acetone, but along with the acetone, you will get that is aldehyde, formaldehyde. Only acetone should form. The second case, that is the B case, that gives the acetaldehyde, 2 moles of acetaldehyde. 3 gives the 2,3-dimethyl, that is 2-butene. This gives the acetone, 2 moles of acetone. So only that is the C is satisfying the condition. Fourth one is the cycloalkene that gives that is the hexane 1,6-diol adipaldehyde is formed. So your answer is C for the 34. For 35, 1 mole of the diene is on ozonolysis. This is a diene. 1 mole is treated with the ozonolysis in the presence of zinc and acetic acid or dimethyl sulfide. Reductive ozonolysis gives the 2 moles of that is propanaldehyde. This is the propanaldehyde, propane, aldehyde, propane diol. This is formed. So that is the 2 moles of this product. And that is which is the C is correct option, you see. C is the correct option. See, cut. This is one, the other one is one. So the all other gives the A gives the acetaldehyde and that is the glyaxal, and 2 moles of acetaldehyde and 1 mole of glyaxal, and B gives the 2 moles of the 1 mole of formaldehyde, 1 mole of acetaldehyde and 1 mole of propane diol. That is C gives our answer, and D gives the cyclopentanone plus formaldehyde. C is the correct option. And the next one is the 36. See, methyl cyclopentane. Methyl cyclopentene. See, cyclopentene. Methyl cyclopentene. When subjected to the oxidative ozonolysis, you see, oxidative ozonolysis, and this is aldehyde. It is converted into the aldehyde in the reductive ozonolysis. But oxidative ozonolysis, this is converted into the corresponding carboxylic acid. In place of that is ketones and carboxylic acids are the products. That is the product. See here, the B is correct to check up. So 6 carbon atom containing system, B is correct option for given one. Next one is 37. The products formed, number of products formed, the reaction of 4,4-dimethyl cyclohexene. See, cyclohexene, right? 4,4-dimethyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, cut number from any side. And this is a NBS, subjected to the NBS, allylic substitution. This is allylic, this is, and 3 is allylic and 6 is the allylic. You see, 2 products are possible. Bromine, this plus both are allylic positions. 2 products are possible. And next one is the 38 is the, consider the following. Both are elimination reactions here. Yes, given the what elimination reaction. They undergo the B is correct option. The elimination mechanism is E2 mechanism. And that is not even. If it is even is formed, that is the carbocation is formed unstably. And even. And the first one is the E2 elimination one, and second one is the faster reaction than 2, because in the second one CD bond has to break. CD bond breaking is difficult, whereas the CH bond breaking is easy. In the single step process, concerted process, CH bond breaking and CBr bond breaking is the RDS of the reaction. So CH bond breaking is slow. Therefore, first one is the faster and second one is the slower reaction. This is B is correct. And next one is and 39 in the aluminum chloride. See, in the presence of AlCl at 10 degree, tertiary butyl chloride. What is given? Methyl, methyl. This is tertiary butyl chloride. Is treated with the AlCl3. So now it is converted to the Me. This is the AlCl3 helps in the breaking of the carbon halogen bond and creates the carbocation. That is and reacts with the ethylene. Now it is treated with the ethylene. So this AlCl3 is converted into the AlCl4 minus here, and now Me as a electrophile. This is CH2 positive charge. AlCl3 AlCl4 comes and supplies the H plus ion in this process, that is CH2, Cl is formed. This is the product. A is your product. See, you may ask, so this is carbocation, primary carbocation is formed, it can be changed into the secondary carbocation. But temperature is, that is the 10 degrees Celsius, low temperature conditions. So that is the possibility of the carbocation rearrangement is very less. Otherwise, all the given 4 products are possible. So temperature is playing an important role there. That is here, this he has given the 3 compound, 3 chloro, this one, bromo, or this is the 2 bromo, butane or pentane, 3 bromo pentane, this is and tertiary butyl bromide. 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. This is labeled as 1, this is labeled as 2, this is labeled as 3. So, which of the following represents the correct order of the reactivity? Which is more reactive? So, reactivity for SN1 reaction is in the order of SN1. 1 is less than that of 2 is less than that of 3. First one, C and A. Yes, for SN1, 3 degree, 2 degree, from the 3 degrees more readily take part in the reactivity decreasing order for SN1 reaction is 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. And for the SN2 reaction is 1 degree is more readily, next 2 degree, 3 degrees least for the SN2. So that is here, the A is correct option, and reactivity of the SN2 is also 1 is more than 2 is more than that. And A and D are correct. The correct option is C. That is the C is the correct option for this. And next one is the 41 is the this is, and he has given the methyl, C methyl. This is the OH treated with the concentrated H2SO4, that is heating. Alcohol is heated with the concentrated H2SO4 under high temperature conditions. Alkene is formed, right? Alkene elimination takes place. Alcohols are converted into alkenes by treating with the concentrated H2SO4 or HNO3 by heating. This is the elimination reaction. And whereas here, this is C, Me. This is the CH double bond CH2. The other reaction that is given concentrated H2SO4, heat it. Here again convert into the, this is the alkene reacts with the concentrated H2SO4. This is Me. Let me write the mechanism of the reaction. Positive charge, Marconic of addition of the H plus ion is added to this and carbocation is formed. This undergoes, the carbocation undergoes the rearrangement. This is rearranged Me. This is positive charge. Rearrangement. So now it may lose the, that is hydrogen and convert into the alkene, that is Me, double bond C, Me. You may ask the why not sulfate combine? Under high temperature condition, the resulted sulfates undergo the decomposition. So this will be the product of the reaction. So here the elimination reaction, this is the rearrangement reaction. What is asking, check up. That is with respect to the above reaction, identify the correct statement. Both reactions involve the same intermediate, no, different intermediates. Here the tertiary butyl carbocation is the intermediate, here it is the different carbocation. First reaction involves the dehydration while the second reaction involves the rearrangement, correct. And first reaction involves the dehydration while the second reaction involves the hydration and without rearrangement, no, wrong. And D also wrong. First reaction involves rearrangement, no rearrangement. Only B is correct option for this. And now next the leftover is the 42. That is, has taken the, this we discussed. That is, this is the OH, this is ET, let me write like this, ET, this is CH3, this is treated with the SOCl2, that is heating. SNI reaction, remember. So therefore what happens? This is a Cl, ET, H and CH3. This is the ET. SNI reaction. In the presence of heating with the SnCl2, in the presence of the pyridine and in the absence of the pyridine, that is given. That is the, now it is treated with the, that is SNI reaction. This is P. Here whereas tosylation, tosyl chloride, paramethyl benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is to carry out the nucleophilic substitution on the alkyl. I am repeatedly telling you that is possible only and in the presence of, now it is Just it is the tosylation. Now it is a better leaving group. Now it is sodium chloride. That is from sodium chloride. That is this attacks from the opposite side. Now it what happens? You get the ClH methyl. That is ethyl. This is CH. This is retention of the configuration P Q. This is the inversion of the configuration. Here retention, same side chlorine is attacking. Here the inversion of the configuration. P Q R respectively are C. Answer C is correct. P has the retention of the configuration while D has the inversion of the configuration. So which product of the reaction is? So here a compound is given, organic compound is given, is asking the what the possible product. See, this is the benzene, this is CHOH, this is C triple bond CH treated with the H3O. First it is protonated and converted into the carbocation. This is carbocation is formed. I am not writing the carbocation. C triple bond CH. OH is preferentially lone pair. This is the pi electrons. Bonded electrons have to come to the reaction. Here the unpaired electrons are coming to the reaction. So this is protonation followed by loss of water. Protonation, loss of water. Now this is the case. Now what happens? That is CH double bond, C double bond, CH2, that is, CH, this is formed. Now water is attacking and that carbon, positively charged carbon to produce the CH double bond, C double bond, C, H, OH. You know, whenever the water attacks, it leaves the enol, tautomerizes. Now this is the tautomerization. Now it comes to the cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde. This is the product. A is your product. And next one is the simple. Correct order of the acid strength of the following is A. Para-nitrophenol, para-chlorophenol, that is the phenol, and para-cresol, para-methyl phenol. So A is correct. There is no need to explain. And which of the following gives the 2 minutes? Instantaneously, after some time is mentioned, it is the low reactive. The secondary, normally secondary. Here, that is A1 gives the turbidity with the Lucas reagent after some time. Benzyl alcohol also gives this one. Carbocation is formed first case. And the third one is your Lucas reagent, that is the secondary alcohol. The primary alcohol has no reaction with the Lucas reagent. 1, 2, 3 all are satisfying the conditions. D, 1, 2, 3. The option D is correct for that. 46. Benzyl alcohol. That benzyl alcohol. This is the alcohol. This is the alcohol. Allyl alcohol actually. Allyl alcohol. See, normally the allyl alcohol can be oxidized without affecting the double bond by using the MnO2. Right? The C is the regularly used reagent. That is, 1 is not correct. That is converted to the carboxylic acid. 2, chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2, or that is MnO2 or CrO3, Jones reagent in acetone. Jones reagent or Jones reagent that converts into this one, this without affecting the double bond, that is the aldehyde is formed. These are the reagents used. So therefore 2, 3, 4 are the correct one. And next one is the B is the correct option. And now this we have taken in the classroom many times. So that is the alkyl benzenes when treated with the alkyl benzenes when treated with and hot and constant KMnO4, the side chain is converted to the COOH, but condition is the benzylic carbon should contain at least one hydrogen. As the number of hydrogens on the benzylic carbon decreases, that is reactivity decreases. So this is when it is treated with the hot and concentrated KMnO4, hot and concentration, there is no benzylic carbon has no this thing. So this is the carbon atom of the ring rupture takes place, that is CMe, many times I wrote in the class, that is this is neopentanoic acid is formed. This is cutting. Ring double bond is undergoing this thing. Similarly, if you take the CF3, same way, CF3, trifluoromethyl benzene, this also gives the CF3. This is undergoing this COOH. These are the products. So that is C is correct option. Neopentanoic acid plus trifluoroester acid are formed. The next one is here is a Baeyer-Villiers oxidation is given. A ketone is directly converted into the ester by treating with the peroxycarboxylic acid. This is your peroxycarboxylic acid. Now, no, this is not this one. So the Bayer's reagent, it's not the base reagent, sorry, it's wrong. Bayer's reagent. It is converted into the hydroxylation, OH, cis hydroxylation, OH, and it is treated with the CrO3, oxidizing agent. This is the 3-degree alcohol, no oxidation, 2-degree alcohol is converted to the ketone. This remains same. This is converted into the ketone. That B. This is A. This is B. That is ABr respectively. That is not given the paste to be given and is not given the. So that is AB are the correct answers. A is A. B is B. Right. So AB are the correct answers. Next. See, this is the 49 is nothing but the acid chloride is treated with the diol. When acid chloride is treated with the that is the tin tritertiary butyl hydride. This is equivalent to the your acid chloride diol H. This is acid chloride is converted into the aldehyde. Rosenmund reduction is possible. This is possible. Diol H can be used. This also we can use. Both the cases the aldehyde is possible. Ester on treatment with the diol H under low temperature conditions, that gives the same thing, that is aldehyde. Both the cases aldehyde. D is correct option. So next one is the last one is the Baeyer-Villiers oxidation. 50th one. Baeyer-Villiers oxidation. This is the methyl. This is the RCO, C6H5, that is COOH, perbenzoic acid, COOH. This is converted to the 6-member ring. This is the case. This side here the insertion takes place from this side. So this is on hydrolysis gives this is converted OH minus or water is attacking here, SNAC reaction coming back, this comes out. This is the carboxylic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is OH. This is 6. This is methyl. This is the compound form. And this is A is this, that is B is this. So where it is, A is your answer, A na? A is correct answer. So all A's and rare and A. So correct option is this. That's all. This is the explanation for this test. Thank you.